Oof. On the phone.
Fucking dickhead.
Fuck me. Seriously, fuck me, Scotty.
I hear you, pal. I hear you.
Oh, that was close. Gonna hit him. Oh, that was close. Fucking hell. Yeah, that was...
It's your fucking beach hack. Whoa. Bro.
From prison, but I don't really care. Anywhere he does set board alone, I'm happy. Yeah. Right now, it's great. And you had to...
What the living fuck you're doing, you wanker?
Aquarius. Picture yourself on a boat on a river with tangerines.
Prepare from dyslexia. You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fire wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fire
I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
They decided at the last minute.
What a dickhead. Typical bloody diplomatic call. What a dickhead. Typical bloody diplomatic call.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Oh, I keep dancing with mine. They're shutting the bar.
Please, special fire. Please, special fire.
Woohoo! Scotty's camera there.
Jesus. Is there a bright spark now?
Denied.
Fuck me, where's the indicator, you fuckhead?
I probably thought I was with you, but I was so high I didn't know what was going on.
Yeah. So your what show is on now that I'd ever experienced in America.
You still don't know what it means.
And I'm still offended every time somebody goes,
Jackie, there's many different ways
I
that
know.
can be interpreted.
It's worse when I go back to the basics. You go say the wrong shit and get your whole face split. The smell of victory, love it so much I can taste it. I spot my target blazing direct hit. Crazy.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Smoking, please.
There. Have a nice trip.
Very successful and very precise partner management. And I really try and stay away from the word sponsor because sponsors don't like the word sponsor. They like partner or even some case investor.
Brewster's trying to get around there. Sully just takes it and he's gone 5 metres out and he's going 95 metre money. He goes, I don't know if I can make this. No one's going on him. Look at him go, Bugs and Sully. He certainly made up for the mistake earlier in the game. Look at that. He sure did. What the fuck?
And that he was, the same guy, very professional, there to help me, and I think I knew that, and so it brought us together in a way that I remembered him, and he definitely remembered me.
How many of you wish there was a better solution to paying off your debt?
Hey, you moron! What are you doing, fuckhead?
somebody can make this work and have us, Marcus Ambrose 2.0.
Awesome for you, Scotty.